Meaning of do's and don'ts.
Do's and don'ts.
Do's and don'ts.
Do's and don'ts.
Do's and don'ts. Do's and don'ts is a phrase used to describe a set of rules or guidelines that outline acceptable behaviors or actions in a particular situation. The do's refer to actions that are recommended or encouraged, while the don'ts refer to actions that should be avoided. These guidelines are typically put in place to ensure safety, appropriate conduct, and to avoid negative consequences. Following the do's and don'ts can lead to a successful outcome, while ignoring them can result in failure, harm, or other negative outcomes.